and welcome to How to Use Google Slides, a Google Slides presentation by me, Juan Dolores, on how you can efficiently and proficiently use Google Slides to create an excellent Google Slides experience for all of your Google Slides viewers. Now let's jump into the first feature provided by Google. It will always spell your last name wrong. It'll say it's a misspelling. It doesn't matter who you are. You can be named John Smith and it will say all that is wrong. But jumping into our first, shall we say, tip, titles, colors, fonts, and how you should use them good. Now, your title slide is the first and only opportunity you will get to reel your viewers in and really hook them. So you shall choose a font that speaks to you on a personal level. Lovely. And if you're feeling particularly flashy, what you can do is you can choose a text color and also a highlight. And now all that is left for you to do is to choose a title that accurately represents the slideshow itself. Wonderful. And now all that is left to do is to sign your name. Lovely. Alright, and next, some important shortcuts that you shall remember. Control M creates a new slide, like so. Control C and Control V, that is your copy and paste function. If you are a plagiarist extraordinaire, like yours truly, you'll be using this one quite a bit. Control D will duplicate your slide, just in case you want your audience to see your slide twice. Control K inserts and edits links, although I don't see much use for this one as you are making a Google Slides presentation to be viewed, and I do not believe many projector screens are also touchscreens. Control Shift Y, that one will open your dictionary. If you are viewing this video or are by any chance a fan of this channel, you will be using this one quite a bit. And Control Alt Delete, that one fixes your mistakes. If you bought your friend Sonic Forces for his birthday, for example, you will be using this command. I also personally wish that my life would Control Alt Delete as well. Alright, and now this is what a slide will look like. Here you can add your title. This will generally be your topic, so let me just do that. And then you add your flavor text, which will explain your viewpoints. Excellent. Now themes. If you do not like the white void provided to you by Google, you can choose a more distinct layout to make your viewer feel like he is experiencing an experience. How you can do that is you go to Theme, and you will be presented with this diverse repertoire of nice layouts and pretty pictures, and you will scroll down until you see one that makes you think, oh shit, funk alert, and you'll pick it, and it will change the title slide. I'm blown away too. Anyways, adding photos. So if you're not satisfied with the wordy mouth noises of your mouth and the words on your paper, you will go and click Insert and then click Image, and you will upload one from your computer, like I'm doing here. And I just need to pick one that personally represents me. Wonderful. And another good way to utilize images is this way, which is representing your opinions. And I gotta stop this right here. A lot of people in the comments will say, I am wrong about this. I'm not wrong. I'm never wrong. So let me explain. Annette, she looks like she can make a very mean Philly cheesesteak. I like Miku because I can relate to her on a personal level. Sayori is the radio operator, so she will not mind when I bump Kanye or clown ASMR. And Mr. T? Drawings. If you are not satisfied with the options of images that the internet.com gives you, or if you would like to express yourself artistically, which I do not recommend, because everybody watching this video is a horrible artist, but if you so choose, you can go up here, choose the scribble command, and draw to your heart's content, like I'm doing right now. Whoa. Sorry about that. And you can draw to your heart's content, like I'm demonstrating right now. And I think this one is so good, actually, that I will sign it. Perfect. And now this image can be whatever you think it is, and whatever you interpret it to be. I personally interpret it to be a large and anatomically correct depiction of a penis. but it can be whatever you so choose. Yes, a moment of silence for our fallen comrade, Captain Lou Albano. Moving on. Videos and when to use them. If you're not satisfied with just images which are static and boring, and you need something that is dynamic, what you can do is you can go to Insert, click the video option, and it'll take you to this screen. And since most videos are on YouTube.com and not Dailymotion, you will only present in YouTube, and you'll paste a URL like I'm doing here. Lovely. And select. Now you have a video. And, you know, what kind of host would I be if I did not let you watch this video? So how you do that is you click this.
Hello, my name is Luke, and I would like you to personally go out to your nearest game store and purchase every copy of Gex. Gex is a great game. I love Gex. You should buy Gex if you haven't already, because he is a lizard, and lizards are cool. You should buy Gex right now.
Wonderful. Next. Oh, did not go. Next. Oh, next. Transitions. Transitions are funky. And how you add a transition, you'll go to the Transitions tab, and as you can see, I've already added some, and you can add a lot of different transitions, but the best one is Cube. You can choose how fast or slow it goes, but the ideal option is fast, and I'll now show you how that looks like. Hot damn, was that some animation? And yeah, see? Class, style, grace. Those are all synonyms for transition. Alright, next slide. Charts and diagrams. Don't add them. Listen, if your audience cannot decipher the meaning of your presentation through the words of your mouth and the words of your paper, they do not deserve to be in the room with your glorious presentation. You kick them out. Do not pander to these people. No charts, no diagrams. Only words, only letters. Next slide. Oh, can't show that one. Yes, thank you for watching this informative tutorial. I would like you to now smash the like button, click the subscribe box, hit the little bell shit, sacrifice a newborn. If you have any questions for me, you can contact me at TheRealYoungTariff, aka BigDick1 @gmail.com. And now I have equipped you with all of the skills you need to make a slideshow. So go and make a slideshow.